let's check this fridge. Customer complaint is the fresh food compartment is not cooling properly, it's too warm. First of all, let's check the temperature. "70 degrees, 71. That's a common issue on the side-by-side refrigerators. This one is a Whirpool. See the model there. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna check for airflow here, coming out of the freezer. If you don't feel air coming out, that means you don't have airflow coming from here to inside the freezer and going out. So you have to check the return air. What happens is the air comes out from here, goes down, and goes to here. You see that? That ice build up. That's the return. It has a hole in there. The air goes into the freezer compartment, gets cold, and goes out from the air damper when it's open. That way you keep the temperature on the fresh food compartment into this compartment. So we're gonna clean that out, check for airflow here on top, and we should be fine. Let's see what we get. So one thing that you can do too is check the temperature right here on the damper. And as you can see, putting the 2 dots there, see 59. That means that the air is no airflow. You will see I will open this door so the air can go directly through the door. Or we're gonna check the temperature. You will see a difference. Look now, 27, 23, 25, 22, I'm going down. It's perfect. 13. Yeah, that being said, that's the problem. The air return is closed, it's clogged.